Hello and welcome to 27, and we're going to be building a skybox. I don't know if you would use this or if someone else has used this, but this is my technique that I use. To start out with, I'm just going to add a UV sphere. Alright, scale it up. Start out with go into wireframe and just delete the bottom half. Oh, a little more. Jeez. Okay. So, just select your size key. I just shift select it so you can get both the move and the size in. Just scale it down along the z-axis and bring it down. This is going to be the dome where our sky is going to be. Select the outer side with the Alt key. Scale this part up. Extrude it. Scale it. Bring it down. Extrude and scale it down. Alright. So we have this type of shape. You don't have to have too many vertices for doing this. I use 20, so I'm going to add a plane in. Alright, just make sure it goes outside of the dome and bring it down. How do you know that you've brought it down enough is to where when you go inside of it, you have to be in perspective mode to do this too. That you just have a little bit of black. It should be black right here, and this should be a little bit brighter. Maybe not with this res, but with this capturing res, but hopefully you can see it on yours. Just make sure you have black down there. Alright, so set it. I'm gonna go to top view. Okay, I'm gonna subdivide this a couple times. I don't need to subdivide this, I just need to set it to smooth and add subsurf. And same for the other one, set it to smooth and subsurf. Now scale both of them up to where they exceed the size of the grid. Okay, and go inside of it. I'm just going to use Control Alt 0 to change the camera angle around. Trying to get it a little more accurate, more centered. Okay, that should be good to view this. Now when you're doing a skybox, just make sure your light is not too bright or else it won't look right. Alright, so here's my camera, here's my light. You want a light that's really dim right next to your camera on both sides. Kind of make it not towards just pure white. Bring it down. Alright, so you have two lights here. Okay. And then you want I'll just use a Hemi. And you want to use your Hemi to go across. Alright, so it's kind of like right in your face in the camera. Just bring it down. Alright, and that should be right there in your camera view. You can parent these to your camera so that they'll always stay in it when you move your camera. Just select the light, shift select the camera, and Control P, make parent. Do that for all the lights. So this way you don't have to worry about moving the lights as you animate. Okay. So now when I move the camera, if I can get it, and all the lights move with it. Okay, you can render this, but see how the sky dome looks? I'll go ahead and do that so we can see it. And I'm rendering a movie right now, so it's slow. I'll adjust these settings in the next tutorial, or the part 2. Okay, so this is where our horizon is, and the rest of this is the clouds and stuff like that. Okay, I'll wrap up this tutorial and the next one, so stay tuned.